6 tricks to make money online watching ads 2022. Making money from watching videos and ads is a lot easier than you might think, as you likely watch films and ads online in your spare time already. This is such a simple way to earn extra money online for yourself. It's a great way to make money alongside similar ventures like starting a YouTube channel plus doing video related work experience boost your daily income. So if you're hoping to get a job in film, TV or digital media, it's an ideal. There are loads of ways to watch videos for money, and we'll go through the best options here. Number 1. Watch YouTube videos for money on Roladel.com. If you haven't already signed up to Roladel, this is a great way to start making money from quick and easy tasks just by watching YouTube videos like this one you're watching now. You can earn reward for watching YouTube videos, service your digital services, and promoting your affiliate link. The types of video you will watch on Roladel could include relationship, news, content, and viral videos by watching videos on the site. This is such easy money, it's worth trying. Plus, when you use Roladel on top of the other suggestion in this list, your earning will soon add up. Number 2. Make money watching videos on inbox pounds. These inbox pounds work in a similar way to Roladel. It lets you earn cash for super simple things like watching videos and taking surveys. You might not make big money here, but the more tasks you do beyond watching videos, the more money you can make. Even reading inbox pounds, steals, emails, or searching the internet on their search page can earn you cash. Number 3. Watch video ads in the Wear 8. Hoping to watch ads for money and make a positive impact? This could be the best app for you. Like some of the others on this list, We Agree is an app that lets you earn cash from watching videos, but it has a slight difference as well as making money to boost your bank balance. You also have the chance to contribute to charity from the app. Number 4. Watch ads, TV trailers, and more for money on Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is a review site that lets you earn points for doing loads of very easy things like watching interesting videos, listening to music, and answering survey questions. The video include commercials and clips like trailers, films, and TV shows. The minimum withdrawal is $10, about PRS 815. Which will get paid into your PayPal account as they read through all the reviews before making payments. You might need to wait up to 5 working days for the withdrawal request to be processed. Number 5. Make money watching videos on Price Rebel. Price Rebel is a site that lets you earn money watching videos, something that requires so little work. It's almost free money. You can request the money you've earned through the site as PayPal money or as gift card. When withdrawing the money via PayPal, there is a minimum payout of $5, about PS4. If you're redeeming your points for a voucher, you may find the minimum payout as lower than it is when you're using PayPal. For example, you might be able to use your points to claim an Amazon voucher worth $2, about P7.65. When you redeem the points you've earned through the site, your money gift card will be processed and sent to you within 24 hours. As well as watching videos, you can also answer paid online surveys and refer friends to Price Rebel to boost earning. Number 6. Write subtitles for film as a freelancer via Fiverr. To add more film-related experience to your CV and make money in the process, you could start writing subtitles for online videos as a freelancer. You can also do the same for the first website I mentioned above, which is Roladel.com. Subtitles and transcripts can be very time consuming to write. So, to save time, some content creators hire freelancers to write their video subtitle for them. You can find freelancers offering the right video subtitle for a fee to get an idea of prices. On Fiverr, you can have a look at what other freelancers charge for similar services, then post rate that you think are fair but competitive. As a guideline, we've seen some freelancers on Fiverr start their rates at around $4 to write subtitles. If you speak another language, this is a bonus. It means you are able to charge a bit extra to translate videos on a freelance basis. Not to mention it's bound to impress future employers. So these were 6 ways to make money from watching videos. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe to Roladel.com button for more videos. Thanks for watching and bye for now.